in this Advaita Tattva is not created. In Advaita, everything appears. And therefore, Advaita, our essential nature, is non-specific. Shanta, Ashesha, Visheshamshaha. Or therefore, Nidralu iva lakshate. And therefore, he is as if he is sleepy. Because he doesn't want to prove anything to anybody. Now, this is one point which was also explained earlier, very important point. Our whole life, if we want to describe, we are struggling on two fronts. One front is we want to prove something to somebody in this world. But the only problem is we do not know to whom we want to prove and what. But our life is struggling in that. We want to prove something. You must have seen the tennis matches on the TV. When they hit a proper shot, I prove myself. So, we don't have to prove ourselves to anybody or any. Somebody say you are a donkey. Yes, thank you. If you are walking spiritual path. Then second thing, we get lost. We try to justify everything. Actually, I wanted to come, but what happened? Nobody has asked you. Who asked you? Our Mahamantra. You'll come to know, many times we talk which is not required. We keep on telling about ourselves. I have done this thing, I have done that. I was here, I was there. Who has asked you? But then we have to talk. And we don't have anything else except the past. See? Therefore, this thing which we tell you again and again, don't take it only as a joke. It is not a joke. When you talk about your past, your body identification becomes firm. And then you become someone special. And you carry that burden of speciality, and in that you add one more speciality, that I am spiritual also. So Panchami Bhumika Metya Tishtam Advaita Matrake Shanta Ashesha Visheshamshaha Nidralu even Rakshate. In the deep sleep, we are not trying to prove anything to anybody. And we are not trying to justify. Because we are not there. We are there non-specific. Visheshamshaha Tyajya. Give up all the extraordinariness in us.